Hi, my name is Eric Sanchez, and I'm a software engineer at Imgix. Welcome to our demo on image super resolution. With super resolution, you can easily revive old photos, enhance user-generated content, or simply make images more visually appealing. Combined with our other AI features, you can effortlessly achieve intricate effects that previously required time-consuming editing. To start, navigate to your development environment and select the images you want to transform. Today, I'm going to do these simple transformations in the browser. For the first part, let's upscale a photo. Simply add the upscale equals true URL parameter and let Imgix transform it on the fly. If you are developing this in React or another framework, you can implement this using one of our SDKs. The end result is a visibly sharper image. Behind the scenes, Imgix upscaled the image by up to 4 times the original resolution. For the second part, let's optimize the photo so it's faster and more beautiful. To do this, we add the auto equals format compress URL parameter. The image is converted from a JPEG to a next generation image format like AVIF or WebP. And the image size is reduced from 4.5 megabytes to just 150 kilobytes. Compared to the original image, the final image is smarter, faster, and more beautiful. This feature is currently available to Imgix customers on the Enterprise plan. If you are an Enterprise customer, please reach out to your account manager to enable it. If you need a demo or to learn more about our Enterprise plan, please don't hesitate to email us at sales@imgix.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.